What's up, guys? I am coming to you in the raw, no hair, no makeup, no eyebrows, no nothing. I'm about to crochet my hair, and I was like, ooh, I haven't done a crochet tutorial in a while, so I'm like, let me do one. I'm gonna be using the FreeTress braid 2x wand curl. This is the hair. It's actually two bundles or two small bundles of hair that come in each pack. I've already kind of taken one pack out and kind of divided it a little bit. This is how the hair looks fresh out the pack. Has a nice curl, nice little coil and curl. And I separated mine. And I separated mine into about 3 pieces. You can definitely do 4 or 5 pieces. It all depends on how you want to do it. But I separated mine into about 3 pieces. Like this. And you know, I've learned with this texture here, because this is not like your FreeTress Bahama curl or beach curl or Aruba, all those are more of a silky texture, so they don't tangle as much. This is almost like a natural kinky yucky hair, so it does kind of tangle. So when you separate this curl is going to be like that. So what I've learned to do is to like kind of separate a nice amount, and then I just snatch it. You got to snatch it. If you kind of go slow, it's going to drag out. And then I just kind of recurl the ends of my fingers real quick, just to get that, like, you know, looseness up out of it, and it puts the curl right back. All right, so that is that. My braids, excuse them, they are literally a week old. I've been wearing wigs, so they look a little raggedy, and y'all already know I got struggle edges because your girl's growing back her edges, so don't mind that. But this is my braid pattern. It's just straight to the back, and then all the braids are connected into one little braid right there. And then I can just, you know, tuck it when I latch it. I can just bring that braid up and then latch like that. So again, don't mind these edges. We're gonna take care of that when I actually, you know, have the hair completed. So you're gonna need your old trusty crochet needle, aka latch hook, and that's it. Alright, so let's just hop right into this video. I've already done a few crochets in the back, but I wanted to come in and just show you guys a little bit of a better view up front. So I'm just sticking my crochet needle through my braid. I am putting the loop of my hair on that hook, closing that latch and pulling it through. When you pull it through, you're going to take that nice little opening and just twist it around one time or 2 times. Let's twist it around, pull your hair through, twist it around again, pull your hair through, and then take those 2 individual strands and pull it tight. That is the process we're going to do. Alright, so half of my head is already done. Don't mind me because I'm also on the phone while I was recording this. But I'm just showing you guys again from the front, just the view. What I did as I got closer and closer to the front, I wanted to space out my crochet. So you will probably see me putting like my finger on my braid, basically giving myself the spacing. So from where I put that last crochet, I put my finger, and then I would put that needle right above that, so I could have a little bit spacing in between my crochets and they weren't too jumbled or close together. You guys know, basically I just finished my whole head. As I got closer to the front of my head, because I have struggle edges, you guys, because I have a lot of breakage, the hair in front is really thin, so I try not to put too many crochets there because it's going to make it pull. So I'm just kind of going under the part of my hair that wasn't necessarily braided but kind of smoothed down, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to go ahead and crochet those areas as well. Once my edges get back, y'all, then I'll be able to crochet how I used to. But right now I have to kind of like leave some spacing right there. So that's why that space is right there, okay? Yes, my hair is done. I'm feeling like a 70s disco queen. Like, I'm loving it. But you know, we have to get that frizz out. We got to get those little tangles out. We kind of shape it just a little bit. So, you know, I'm just going to start pulling the crochets apart, pulling them and separating them to give myself a little bit more volume. Then I'm going to go in with my Motions foam, honey, and we're just going to spray that on our hand, and we're going to use that to get those little straggly flyaways and just, you know, natty parts of the hair off. And that's going to help me smooth it and get it nice so that I can actually clip those little like tangle ends. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and clip some more ends, just getting all those little tangle pieces out. And once it's done, you guys, this is going to be the completed look. I didn't really do too much cutting, too much shaping. I just wanted to get the little straggly, natted flyaway parts together, and this is going to be my look. It is nice in volume, is how I like it. If you want more, you can definitely add an extra pack of hair. I use 2 full packs of hair, but give it 2 or 3 days, this hair is going to look even better, because I love the look of worn hair, you know, like it makes it pop. But you can always separate your curls and just make it look a little bit more fluffier and a little bit more full. But this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.